just 2 days after the tragic events in Croydon, which saw 7 people lose their lives in a tram accident, came a day of remembrance with added poignancy. Over 1,000 people gathered outside Croydon Town Hall to pay their respects to the soldiers who lost their lives fighting for their country, but also to their fellow residents of Croydon, killed just days ago after their tram derailed.
Right, there.
It's one of those things which won't be forgotten for a while. Whether people will do anything, that's another matter, but the people who actually lost lives and their families and all that, they're going to remember it, so hopefully there will be something.
But it just brings, these things bring people together, no matter what their background, their race or anything else. I think that's what's important today.